Hello, first graders. For reading and writing today, what we would be doing is reviewing our sight words. So our sight words are over here. A reminder, we have the word orange, green, brown, us, and why. So I'll be working on identifying those sight words. These are a little bit easier this time because our color words we should know from kindergarten. Us we can sound out, and why is probably going to be the one that'll be a little bit more challenging. So keep working on those sight words. The other thing, remember, that we are working on is OR and AR words. So words like this one here, we see that OR in the middle. We know it says or, so k, ork, cork. And yesterday we talked about AR, saying R like a pirate. So p, ark, park. So if you and mom or dad or whoever you live with could come up with different OR and AR words for you to read and even to write, try to spell them on your own too. That'd be a great thing for you to do today. And also to go along with that, we have a Bossy R mix-up. This is the OR page. This is like the AR page we did yesterday. So your homework page would be this one. You have to unscramble those words to find that picture there, and then write it neatly here in the blank. And then pick one of these OR words here to write a sentence about. We also have this AR page where up here you're going to read the word, find the picture that goes along with that word, and then put the letters in the blanks there, or in the boxes. So this would be another good way to help you read those AR and OR words. Another thing that should have been in your packet looks something like this. It's two-sided. One side has the OR side, the other side has the AR side. It's like Connect 4. I might suggest that you use Legos or pieces of cereal to cover them up instead of coloring them in, so that way you can play it more than once. So you and somebody else play with this. Play this game. If you know the word and you say it correctly, then you could put your counter or your color there, and whoever else is playing could try to get it in and block you. You want to get 4 in a row. So on one side of your page is OR, and on the other side of your page is the AR page that looks like this. So that'd be another way to practice your OR and AR words. And once again, don't forget about your new sight words here too. So there'll also be an activity on Seesaw for you to do also, along with those pages and the game here. So that would be what we would do today. So practice those words, and I will see you tomorrow. Later.